Your partner is taking good look at themselves in the mirror. They are determined to change their current situation in order to take charge of this relationship with you. They are waiting on for the right time to open up to you. They are committed to being in a commitment with you. Apology is coming from their end. They are in so much of regret and painful energy at this moment. Your partner is feeling love sick over this connection, and they know it's time for them to be honest and open their heart to you. They know no one can steal their feelings for you, and they can never experience this bond in the same way with anybody. They are focused on being the best version and proving themselves to you.